Maintaining a healthy smile isn't always easy, but the EWF-32 Cordless Water Flosser is here to help. The 300 milliliter water tank is easy to fill and lasts longer than some other brands. Choose between 3 water pressure settings when you want a gentle clean or something more powerful. The 360-degree nozzle, non-slip handle, and cordless design let you reach every crevice, eradicating plaque buildup, reducing bad breath, and preventing tooth decay. The IPX7 waterproof design protects the inner electronics, and the battery indicator always lets you know when you need to charge. On a full battery, the water flosser lasts up to 15 days, helping you make flossing a regular part of your routine. The flosser will automatically turn off after 2 minutes, so you never have to worry about draining the battery. The water flosser comes with 4 replacement jet nozzles, letting you share the water flosser with your loved ones. A quick rinse will make all the difference with the EWF-32 Cordless Water Flosser.